Everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, in today's video I am going to be doing a much awaited DH Lulu haul. I haven't done one in a few months now, and now that we're getting into winter, I'm ordering less and less, and also Canada Post is currently on strike, so I have a couple things that are stuck in the mail right now. One is literally in Vancouver, which is like so close to me that it would honestly be delivered in like a day or maybe at max 2 days, but it's been stuck there for like over a week now, so I'm not ordering at all right now. As far as anything that I get from DH and stuff that I know is going to ship through Canada Post, I'm like avoiding it for now, but I definitely will continue to build up some things and film another one of these hopefully in the next couple months or so. So these are all the things that I picked up. I did get this, you know, at the Lulu store, this bag, this reusable bag. I love these. I use them for my lunch sometimes. They become so useful to me. But yeah, these are the stuff that I ended up getting. Barely fits in this bag, but I'm really excited to film this because I can finally use these items. And I probably started ordering this back in like September, so they've been sitting around for a bit. Also, I want to apologize for the background noise if there's any noise right now. They are building a high-rise just like across from me, and it gets super loud with the construction. Whenever I look outside, they're not really doing anything, so I don't know what that's about. Okay, before we get started, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you like this content and you want to see it 24/7, 365, this is all you want to see from me, definitely check out my Patreon for a free trial. I just figured out that I didn't have any free content on my Patreon page, so if you guys joined as a free member before, I am so sorry, but I have changed some of my older content to be free. So definitely check me out on Patreon if you guys want, you know, very clear, honest reviews on everything. I can go way more in depth on Patreon than I can here on YouTube, so definitely check that out. I will leave that in the description box below. And if you have any questions regarding any of these pieces, hint hint, wink wink, definitely go ahead and go to my Instagram page, go under my bio. All of the answers to your questions are in there, but if you have further questions on any of these pieces, you can DM me on Instagram and I would be very happy to help you. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up is a sweater. Actually, this isn't a sweater, this is a jacket, but I personally think of it as a sweater. I don't see how this is a jacket at all, but this is the Define jacket. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I haven't ordered one of these in forever. Like, I ordered 2 of them back in, I think, 2021, and I still have both of them. I still frequently use them, so I was like, you know what, I want to buy another one and I want it in a different color, so I got it in this beautiful blue. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. I love this shade of blue. The other 2 I have, one is just plain black and the other one is like an army print, but it's black as well. So I just wanted something, you know, a little bit different. I was stuck between getting this and like the rose mauve color, but I ended up ultimately going for blue. This is one of my favorite pieces to wear in the fall when it starts to get a little bit cold outside and I need extra layers. This is the perfect layer for right now in the winter months. This is like something that I really wouldn't wear because I tend to go for more fleece. So this is definitely like a fall and springtime piece, sort of summer depending on how the temperature is. So like if I'm hiking first thing in the morning, it's a little bit chilly outside in the summer, I will definitely throw one of these on as well. They're also very lightweight and pretty easy to pack, and they do have zippered pockets on both sides, which is nice. And then they have this like mesh detailing on the back. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's like this mesh detailing to keep you a little bit cool. And then of course you have the reflective logo there on the back. So I do really like the design of this sweater. I think it's very functional, keeps you warm in, you know, depending on the season, and it actually does look really good in photos. It looks very slimming. It does give you guys like the kind of like hourglass effect almost, because of how the stitching is on the front of the sweater. If you guys can see that, it's very slimming. So you guys will see this in the try on portion at the end of the video anyways. But yeah, that is the first piece. Next up, I picked up an Align tank. Okay, so I decided to size up in this, and it's funny because I ordered 2 more after I got this, and I honestly, like, they're the 2 things that are stuck in the mail right now, but I didn't even try this on to see if I like the fit of this. But I have been getting size 8s for like a very long time, and I look back on like photos and videos and stuff, and it kind of looks like it gives me rolls. I'm still trying to go to the gym and stuff to work on that, and you know, I didn't really have to size up, but honestly, like, I think it's better if I just size up. I got this in a 10, and I do kind of go between 8 and 10 as far as Lulu tops goes. And I just decided I want to be comfy. I want to try this in a size 10 and see if it's any different. I love the color of this one. I forget what this is called. I think it's like velvet powder or something like that. But it's a really beautiful like purpley pink. So again, you guys will see this in the try on. I don't know how it looks because I haven't actually tried that on just yet. Okay, next up I got a pair of leggings, and I wanted a brown pair of leggings for a really long time, and I'm very, very picky about the shade of brown that I get because I don't want it to look like a poopy brown. I don't want it to look like an ugly shade of brown. It has to either be chocolate brown or coffee brown, so I went with coffee. This shade is literally called coffee. I looked at a lot of the comments of this color and like reviews and stuff like that, and people were like, it leans very purple, and I would have to disagree with you. I think that this is a straight up brown color, but I think it's like a cool tone brown. So these are the Align leggings. As you guys may or may not know, I usually get the Wunder Under leggings from DH, and I always go for the same seller. I got them from a different seller one time and I didn't like the quality. Like, this part started peeling off after like the second time I wore it. So I have been tried and true to this seller. They've been great. I have stuff from, like I said, back in 2021. That's when I first started shopping with them. So it's like 3 years old now, and I don't have any issues with any of the pieces or any of the logos, anything like that. Some stuff I put in the dryer. Most things I put in the dryer at least one time. So I can already say the quality with this one is better than other sellers. They all also come with the tags, if you were wondering. They do all come with tags. I haven't been showing them to you, but if you want to read that, you can pause it. Yeah, like I said, I normally get the Wunder Unders, but this time I decided to go for the Aligns. I do have one pair of the Aligns in like a teal color. I really like the way it fits. I like the overall quality. I love the fact that they are so soft. I think that these ones just have an added bit of lycra in the material content versus the Wunder Unders. So that one has, I feel like, less lycra than this one does. So yeah, these are the color coffee. And yeah, this is like the perfect brown. I love them. So I just wanted to show you really quickly what the tags look like. So this is from the Align tank, and it also does have that inner tag as well, if you were wondering. And then I almost kicked my camera off the stand. This is the Define jacket tag, and this I got in a size 8. So I got this in a size 8, this in a size 10, and then the leggings are in a size 4. These are definitely true to size. I buy size 4 leggings all the time when I go shopping at Lulu. I buy between 8 to 10 for the tops, and I usually buy 8 for the Define jacket, so I would say they're very true to size. Okay, and then the very last thing that I picked up are a pair of black leggings, because you can never have enough black leggings. Also, my previous pair of black leggings from DH are kind of ruined. I think they were in the dryer for too long at one point. Now I exclusively hang dry all of my activewear pieces. I don't put them in the dryer anymore, but I think I like messed my other ones up by putting them in the dryer. They fit a little bit strange now, so I decided to get a new pair. I got these in the Wunder Under style, so yeah, there is a little bit of a difference in the way the material feels. Like this one does feel a lot softer than these ones. Overall, they're very good at compressing both of them. Like I don't have any issues with the way they hold me in, and sizing as well. Like I got these both in a size 4. This is the tag that this one comes with. These are the Wunder Under HR tights. Again, if you want to read that, you can pause it. And these are just plain and simple black leggings. You cannot go wrong with plain and simple black leggings. So yeah, that is all that I purchased from DH this time. Lulu edition. I do have 2 more tops and a pair of leggings coming in. I'll kind of like build it up until I have at least 5 pieces to show you. That's already 3 pieces. So I just need to make at least like 1 more order and I'll have another Lulu haul. But I honestly don't know when the strike is ending for Canada Post. So I'm not going to be buying anything until it's all sorted, because like literally nothing is getting delivered anyways. So yeah, that is all for this one. Okay guys, so let's go into the try on. So I did get this in a size 10. I did size up in the sports bra. It's really nice because it's not as constricting as the size 8, and I find that the 8 is very constricting. Like I mentioned, it gives me like rolls and stuff like that, so I'm not a huge fan of that. But this is a little bit big from right here, from the shoulder part, which I should have already known that, because my other size 10 bra, which is like one of my favorite sports bras that I ever got on DH, is a size 10 and it has the same issue. So I kind of just have to watch out for that, kind of like adjust it for photos and stuff like that. But overall, it is very, very comfortable and I'm really glad that I sized up. I also love this color. Okay guys, let's move on to the next fit. Okay guys, so this next fit is basically the same thing that I just showed you guys earlier, the same sports bra, but I have the Define jacket on top and I'm wearing the black leggings. So this Define jacket, I absolutely love the color. I will zip it up for you guys as well. My watch always gets stuck here because it's so big, and the Define jacket should fit you a little bit on the tighter side. Like it should be actually pretty fitted. It does have these like, what is it called? These cuffs to keep your hands warm, but I will back up and show you guys the full fit. Okay, so I don't know if I would put this whole outfit together. I think there's a little bit too much color going on right now. I think if I was to wear like a sports bra, it would be like a, maybe like a powder blue, baby blue color, or like a white with the black leggings and this. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip this up. So it looks like this. Zipped up. As you guys can see, what I was talking about earlier, it does give you like that shape because it does have the logo on the front, and it kind of gives you like an hourglass slimming effect. It also goes all the way up, so if you get cold and you don't want your neck to get too cold, this goes all the way up, which is really nice. And overall, I love the fit of this one and I love the color. Okay, so that is all for the try on. I'll see you guys in the next clip. That is all for this one. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you deeper than I let anyone else before.